Hi there, my curious space explorers. I'm so excited to tell you about one of my favorite topics, the planets in our solar system. Are you ready to join me on an amazing journey through space? Buckle up, because we're about to take off. When I look up at the night sky, I can't help but wonder about the planets that share our solar system. Do you ever wonder about them too? Well, let me take you on a trip, and together we'll uncover fun facts about each planet. Let's start with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Did you know Mercury is super small? It's even smaller than some of the moons in our solar system. Mercury has no atmosphere, so during the day, it gets incredibly hot, and at night, it's freezing cold. It's like the ultimate hot and cold game. Next up is Venus, the hottest planet in the solar system. Even though it's not the closest to the Sun, Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat. I think of it like a big, hot oven. Oh, and fun fact, Venus spins in the opposite direction of most planets. Isn't that cool? Now, let's talk about our home, Earth. It's the only planet we know of where life exists. What's your favorite thing about Earth? I think it's the perfect balance of air, water, and land. And of course, it's where all of us live. Then there's Mars, the red planet. Have you ever seen pictures of Mars? Its surface looks like a dusty desert, and it's covered in red rocks. Scientists think that a long time ago, there might have been water on Mars. Who knows, maybe one day, humans will live there. After Mars comes the giant Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's so big that all the other planets could fit inside it. And have you seen Jupiter's Great Red Spot? It's a giant storm that's been raging for centuries. I wonder if it ever gets tired. Then there's Saturn, the planet with the beautiful rings. Did you know Saturn's rings are made of ice, rock, and dust? I like to imagine what it would be like to ice skate on them. What about you? Next is Uranus, the tilted planet. Uranus is so unique because it rotates on its side. Its bluish-green color comes from methane gas in its atmosphere. It's like a giant marble floating in space. Finally, we reach Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is super windy. It has the fastest winds in its solar system. It's also a stunning blue color, almost like a sapphire jewel. Now that we've traveled through the solar system, tell me, what's your favorite planet? If you could visit one, which would it be? I'd love to hear your answers.